I'm Tim.
And I'm Christy.
And we're the Kelly Corner. Second night here at Black Rock Campground, State Park, Georgia. Ready to go here tonight. Got our firewood ready to roll. Pan over here. We got our grill started. Got the charcoals going. We're gonna have some grilled chicken and some fresh corn, shucked corn, and some Brussels sprouts. Starting the charcoal, getting ready to cook up some good grub in the mountains, up in the Appalachians. Nothing like it. So that's what we're about to move on to now. Night 2 here at Black Rock. We're approaching sunset. Nice fire going. We got some chicken on the grill over here. I'll show you guys in a minute. But we're fixing to have us a nice meal and chill out. Isn't that what it's all about?
Yep.
You know it. Is Bushy over there? Booch, Booch. Booch, Booch, Booch.
I have 3 chairs. I think one of them is
Oh, yeah, I think so too. Yep. All right, what we got going here? I believe it's ready. Yeah, I need a plate maybe. Okay, get a real plate. Alright, that one needs to cook a little bit more, so let me put that in the way. That looks good, that looks good. Let me just throw another pinch of salt on those. This is corn here in the packets. Can you see it there? And that's been going, and then I got some Brussels sprouts. Oh, those are looking really nice. So oh yeah, Brussels sprouts there. Okay, let's add a little bit of seasoning there. And we'll salt these up, and that'll be it. We'll be sitting down to eat.
honey mustard and perch.
Give me some of this chicken. Ooh. Some of this sweet corn here. It's been steaming. Right. I mean, that's some steamed corn, baby. Colt bears don't like it too much. Man, the Brussels sprouts look quite good.
Cooked them. Definitely.
We can get some honey mustard here. Some honey mustard. It's not in your face. It's on the fire. Oh, look at that. Look at that, Kristen.
Took your advice and brought the honey mustard. Never know when you need honey mustard. So popcorn. It's something new. We've never done Brussels sprouts on the grill.
No.
She tastes kind of nutty.
That corn is hot. It is a little nutty, ain't it? Reminds me of you. No nutty.
Thanks. Good.
Somebody's finally give me out a cousin.
campfire feels good. Look at I can feel over here.
Hmm?
I think that wall helps retain the heat over here. Which if it was hot as hell, it wouldn't be good, but it was good.
That's right. I agree. I think this is one of my favorite parts of camping. Eating outside, got the fire going.
Mine too.
Nice cool breeze. I should say in the mountains. Because it's freaking July and it's nice and cool where we're at. Okay, so near Black Rock State Park, on the way up or down, whichever way you're coming from, there is a Black Rock Lake. Go down a quarter of a mile, probably, dirt road, and you'll come to this lake. Looks like we have some ducks. Pretty nice, not bad at all. Can't fish, can't swim, no kayaking or anything like that, but very peaceful place to just come and chill for sure. Yeah, see some fish. About that. Yeah, where is it? Can I get them? There you go. So you can fish though out here on this lake. You can fish from the banks with the proper fishing license, of course. Not bad. Mallards. That's what they are. There's ducks. Almost has a bluish green tint to it. Here's another fish. Wow, I bet fishing's good here. Little baby one. Look at all them. Yeah. So really nice. There's also a trail that you can walk around. It's about 3/4 of a mile, and it runs all the way around this lake. You can walk all the way around it. Pretty cool. What a nice place to be. Hello, duckies. I see. Hello, duckies. No. Shake your head, no. Cool. Uh-oh, he's standing on one leg. What's he doing? Ducky, ducky. Oh, goosey, goosey. He's showing off, standing on one leg. Oh yeah, those are geese. The ducks are over here. Here's your ducks. Mallards are a goose? Mallards are geese?
No, mallards are
Oh, those. Okay, yeah, that's what I thought. I bet there's some fish out here, bud.